Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update Bitfinex API keys for programmatic trading bots step by step clearly. First, log in to your Bitfinex account. Navigate to the API section in your account settings. Select the option to manage your API keys. Locate the existing API key you want to update. Click on the edit option for that specific API key. Review the current permissions and settings associated with the key. Make any necessary changes to the permissions. Ensure you configure the key for your trading bot's specific needs. Once you have made the changes, click the Save button. Confirm the updates when prompted. Take note of the newly generated API key in secret, if applicable. If regenerating the key, remember to update your trading bots with the new credentials. Test the updated API key with your trading bot. Verify the bot is functioning correctly with the new key. Check for any errors in the program logs during testing. Adjust permissions again if any issues arise during operation. Your Bitfinex API keys are now successfully updated for programmatic trading. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.